Next summer product launch drop. All right, these ones are also some of my favorites. It is our adorable lip balm set. There's 2 lip balms in this cute package. You see this? Even the box has like embossed shiny hearts on it. Adorable. We have 2 scents or flavors, I guess. We've got a sweet berry. It's not going to focus for you, sorry. And tropical guava. Also, ignore my nails. I'm getting them redone today. These 2 balms, oh my goodness. First of all, they are the cutest. They both smell fantastic. They don't really have a flavor or sweetness, kind of like our Satin Lips lip balm that is a little bit sweet, but these ones don't. They are not tinted. They're both clear. They just smell fantastic and they feel really good on the lips. It's the same formula as a hint of mint lip balm from the wintertime holiday season if you tried that. They smell so darn good. It's amazing. So I'm trying to squeeze them out on the camera here for you so you can see. Clear balm. Honestly, that much is going to be more than enough for my lips. I have some residual of the Must Have Mauve liquid lipstick on right now that I applied several hours ago. But yeah, just a little goes a long way. Got this nice shine. It smells like heaven in a tube. The sweet berry smells like strawberries. It's a scent that I am very familiar with, and yet I can't put my finger on what it is. But it's just kind of like being in a field of berries that are sun-kissed and warm and delicious, and the guava is my favorite. I love anything tropical. The guava, oh my goodness, smells so good. I actually do that. I put this on now, I'm smelling my lips as I'm walking around. It smells exactly like fresh guava fruit. It's very light and fruity and delicious, and it makes me want to eat it, but it doesn't taste like anything. So it's just awesome lip hydration, a nice shine, a nice silky balm. You get 2 of them in the set. They're adorable, perfectly pocket size, all that greatness. So that is our next my demo for one of the summer products.